गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। मैं एक इंडियन ग्रोन एफएमसीजी के बारे में बात करने के लिए आज प्रस्तुत हूँ आपके सामने। आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एन इंडियन ग्रोन एफएमसीजी कंपनी. इट्स नॉट आईटीसी. इट्स अ कंपनी मोस्ट पीपल इग्नोर टू लुक at. The company I'm talking about is Jothy Labs. This company has been in existence for a very long time. This is a Kerala-based company, headquartered in Thrissur, Kerala. It was started in 1983 by a man called Ramachandran, basically to make fabric whitener. It was a single unit, single product company. It has grown and built an all India network today and is one of the serious players in the FMCG space. It's distributed through 2.8 million outlets in India and it has 27 manufacturing plants in 23 states. So, from one unit in a labor communist Kerala, it has now become India level player with 27 manufacturing plants in 23 states. Its product is available in 2.8 million outlets. A million is 10 lakhs, so it is 2.8 into 10 lakh outlets across India. And people, my staff tell me its products are more popular in rural India than in urban India. This is a company which I have been tracking for a long time, which I have not really bought. I have a very minor position in it, but I have not looked at it for a very long time. It's a steady growing company. Its main product is a fabric whitener, which is called Ujala. It has an 81% market share in that. It had a very popular jingle, which made it extremely popular. And it makes washing machine powders with Henko Automatic and Mr. White. How did they get a German Henkel to sign up? Henkel, when it came to India, originally tied up with Spic Chemicals in Tamil Nadu and decided to launch a big FMCG. Spic was in perpetual cash flow trouble and therefore could not support them. They had also bought Margo, which was a product with Shaw. And when UB got into trouble, Margo was sold to this company. Margo is a original neem soap, and so when Spic could not manage anything, in early 2007, Henkel sold their company to Jothy Laboratories. For a long time, it was speculated that Henkel would take stake in Jothy Labs, but the deal never went through, and Henkel never took a stake. But Henkel always had a licensing arrangement with them, and these arrangements continue even today. The main product, as I talked about, is Ujala, which has an 81% market share. And also, Henkel Matic and Mr. White is again at tier 2, tier 3 cities. It has a dishwash segment, which was dominated by Rin. It has 38% of its revenue comes from that. It has a 11 and 16% market share. It's called Prill and Expo. These two have a market share of 11 and 16%, and it represents 38% of the company's revenue. The fabric care has 81% market share and represents 37% of the revenue. So it is dishwash plus your fabric care, which gives nearly 75% of this company's returns. So its washing powder has not really taken off. Personal care products is 11%. Household products gives 10%. The main household products is Maxo. They make some agarbattis also, but Maxo is a mosquito coil manufacturer. What this clearly tells us, Jyoti Labs has not been successful in breaking into mainstream FMCG products. It's always at the periphery. Having dominated fabric whitening, its product could not dominate the washing soap segment, which still reigns with Nirma, HUL, and Procter and Gamble. It's not broken through. But the fabric whitener, it's not allowed others to dominate the fabric whitener. Similarly, dishwasher, nobody concentrates except Vim and Rin. Vim, basically, Rin is a soap used for washing clothes. So, except Vim, Prill has taken a big market share in that. So, this is a company which operates at the margins. And this is the biggest competitor to Goodnight, which is owned by Godrej. So this is the problem with this company, and this is the advantage also. It has clear market dominations in certain space. These are small. Today the stock is 195. The net profit in Q4 went up by 60%. The profit is 59 crores in Q4. Revenue from operations in Q4 was 617 crores. EBITDA was 913 crores and profit after tax was 59 crores. It's important to note this company does not have much debt. It has cash in hand. It gives you 3 rupees dividend. The face value of the share is 1 rupee. and therefore it is split already. It is giving you 3 rupees. That's a 300% dividend. The revenue from operation for the entire year is 2,486 crores, and the company makes 159 crores profit per year. There is no debt and net cash balance is 283 crores. So this company does not need money. It does not need debt to borrow, and it has only a licensing arrangement, and therefore will not be paying too much dividend outside the country. This is the problem with HUL, Nestle, Procter and Gamble, and Reckitt and Coleman, which is not listed. But this is why I avoid such stocks. The company today is run by M.R. Jothy, who is the daughter of the founder. There was some professional management in between, and the last 3 years there has been consistent performance, and there is double digit growth. The company is trying to diversify its products, not very successful. The current market price is 195. If it drops, you can buy. The low is 142, the high is 223. The PBE ratio is 30. If the company goes by 20%, then your forward PE really drops, and there's practically no debt. Earnings per share is 6.53. So if the earnings per share goes to 8 or 8.5, then you are looking at 23 to 24 times PE. So it's a company that you should look at. As expected in India, price to book is very high because there's no debt and it's only a company which has some brand name. The company has a very small market cap of 7,115 crores. The promoter family owns 63%, FII owns 14%, mutual funds and other domestic institutions own 17%, and the public owns only 6%. So, if the price corrects, you can start accumulating the stock. You should talk to a SEBI registered advisor before doing this, but you can definitely look at buying the stocks in small quantities if the price drops. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है देखने के लिए मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। ये कंपनी आप छोटे छोटे लॉट से खरीद सकते हैं। जैसा आप चाय पानी की खर्चा करेंगे वैसा आप खरीद सकते हैं। एक समय में 2-3 शेयर खरीद सकते हैं, 5 शेयर खरीद सकते हैं। जब भी नीचे आती है शेयर आप खरीद सकते हैं। लेकिन आज रिजल्ट अच्छा है तो मार्केट उसको ऊपर लेके जाए होगा। जब भी करेक्शन आएगा आप इसको देख सकते हैं, और नीचे जब भी थोड़ा नीचे आएगा आप जरूर इसको खरीद सकते हैं। What I said in Hindi is you can buy it like you eat for tiffin or coffee. You can buy very small quantities up to 5 numbers. As the market drops, the market will give you an opportunity. This stock operates in a tight 50 to 60 rupees range and can be very profitable in the long term. Thank you for watching पैसा बोलता है। अब पैसा बोलता है कि आपकी सपोर्ट के लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification. If you don't click on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video and you might miss a video or two. Thank you for your support for Paisa Bolta hai.